Mayong aga sa tanan. Medyo paos, excited na sa Mascara Festival. Arat na tanan yung preparation. Anyway, we are very much appreciative no and yung pasalamat gid sa opportunity and sa venue nga ini no for the press con. This is where we meet no sa pag-istoryahanay, mag-update kung ano matabo sa Mascara Festival 2025. So, this is our common responsibility or a shared responsibility to inform the people and to make them aware and also to educate and appreciate about the Mascara Festival.
And good morning, everyone. So with regards to the arena at the Paglaom Sports Complex, first and foremost, I would like to thank the Bacolod Gugma Foundation as well as the province of Negros Occidental, headed by our Governor Bong Lacson and our Provincial Administrator Rayfrando Diaz, for granting the request again to use the Paglaom Sports Complex for the arena competition. At the same time, would like also to take this opportunity to thank the Negros Occidental High School, headed by the principal, Ma'am Cheryl Tondo, by approving as well as the NOHS will be the holding area for the street dancers naton for both school and barangay. So it's a collaborative effort with the province, with the NOHS and the Bacolod Gugma Foundation, and together with the city government of Bacolod para sa maayong Mascara Festival this year.
Okay, thank you so much, Ernesto and Dr. Bats. Now it's time for questions. Go ahead.
I have a question. Are you going to use the same music that you use now or something else? Because copyright kami ay flag na ang in your songs. And I hope you don't use from California to the USA because that is very foreign and not Bacolod.
Yeah, thank you ma'am for that question. Number one, we have official music no, for the Mascara Festival. It was already launched. As we all know, there will be some sort of adjustments. Number two, we have a different street dance music no, to be played. There will be a recall from old songs, but then again, the foundation able to come up with mix and parang hype siyang arrangement for the street dance music. So, hindi siya purely ma-play yung mga old songs, but there will be a simple recall. Then thirdly, the arena music, our contingents are allowed to create, mix, no, and even combine some old songs. Okay? So with that, this is a very open way for creativity, no? Where our contingents are allowed even to come up with their own music.
I hope they don't use from California to the USA because we are Bacolod Negros Occidental in the mix.
Yeah. Ma'am, part of our screening, we need to hear the music, no? We can note into that particular line, no? That might be ano tawag dito, sensitive, no? From California to the New York island, no? Yeah, we will take note on that and even to give a valuable suggestion to our contingents.
As long as we don't get flagged when we post the
Yeah, that's
festival.
correct.
Okay, we take down kami yan.
Yes, ma'am. No? One of the points discussed during the consultative meeting, once mag-live kita, gina-off ni Meta no? Ang music. And we don't want to allow that no? Because we want to have a streamlined or a seamless presentation during the event.
Because ang you can present na song the other day that you're fixing, the official song, it was you merge different songs that are composed by other people.
Okay.
So ma-flag it ka muna because even if just the first few notes siya, copyright violation na yan.
Well noted on that, ma'am. And we can have that as a feedback to the foundation.
So you'll make sure that there will be no copyright.
Yeah, we look into that. Thank you very much.
What time mo start sir sa arena?
For the arena, we have two categories. No? We have the school category and the barangay category. So we will start at 1 p.m. No? But prior to the 1 p.m., we give our major sponsors a preliminary acts, or should I say front acts. No? May mga activities. But we will take off at 1 p.m. Sa Paglaom Sports Complex. And then followed by the street dancing.
Paano makasulod ng public? May ticket or
May general admission kita, no, sa Paglaom Sports Complex. But of course, we identify some areas for our city officials and VIPs and also our sponsors.
So, of 61 barangays, pila kila nag-submit sa ilang interest to join? Paano makapulo na siya?
Yeah. If I may recall, Pulo, gid ma'am ang nag-submit, no? Nag-express ang letter of intent out of 61, no? Sila gid nga Pulo, no? And the foundation, the Bacolod Dugma Foundation Incorporated, helped them process, no? One of the major requirement is dapat klarado sila sa mga liquidation requirements and the like. So the foundation make sure na wala na may makaka sa pulo nga nag-express ng intent, no? And also part of the mechanics is really to encourage other barangays. This year, gina-advise natin yung mga barangay kung pwede hindi sila ka-interest sa two major cultural events. That's why some of them are part of the Electric Mascara, yon, and then in some other cultural events.
How about the schools, sir?
Ang school naman, we base it sa districts. So we have 7 districts and kapasalamat kami kay Sir Develos. We're able to maximize, no, tanan nga district nag-interagate.
So 7.
7.
Are we assuming nga yung mga barangay na nagka-liquidate sa ilang mga nagbigan, ang mga wala nakaita, wala?
Yes, sir. Sa committee kag sa Bacolod Gugma Foundation Incorporated, we're able to get the signal na they're all good to go.
What are the prices at stake?
Nga elementary na, how about the high school?
Yes, sir. It's a transition, no? As we all know, we have 5-year hiatus after the pandemic. So, medyo ma-start off kita anay sa school, nga elementary. Then moving forward, we can have it by next year.
What are the prices at stake?
For now, gina-review pa namon ang iba nga mga prices. But one thing for sure, ma'am, for the grand winner for the barangay category, we have 1 million pesos for the grand prize. For the school category, we have 750,000.
Doc Bats, recalling your guidelines or mechanics for the competition, whether or not we are revamping the song that we have launched last Saturday, we'll try to improve it, but that is not part of our guidelines. So actually use the entire song or a portion of that song for the competition proper.
Yeah, thank you, Adrian. Since that our contingent are free, to create and mix their own music for the arena performances, they are only required to lift part of the official music, as per advised by our festival director Rodney Ascalon. Only the chorus, can be embedded in their arena music. They can use it in the first part of their music, or maybe somewhere in the middle, or even part of their finale.
For Nestor, can you just explain to us what are the things that will be happening or the events that we will be staging once mag-abot na mga tao sa Bacolod City Plaza while awaiting for the official announcement of winners?
So with that, as mentioned by Doc Bad, so ma-start kita sa arena competition sa Paglaom Sports Complex. Then right after that, contingents will have their street dancing along Araneta Street, then proceeding to Bacolod Public Plaza. So there we'll have the merrymaking of the contingents, we'll have the community dance, and there will be the awarding will be there also at the Bacolod Public Plaza. So dito bali ma-commence gidyang aton nga street dancing and arena sa Bacolod Public Plaza with a community dance, a merrymaking competition with the contingents, and then the awarding ceremony.
It means there's no more performance at the public plaza after the street.
May ara gyud ma'am, may ara kita sa ginatawag nga amo ng community dance nga all contingents both sa school kag
Like
barangay.
individual, wala, sir.
Wala. Merrymaking ma'am will have their merrymaking. Pero ang arena gid is at the Paglaom Sports Complex.
Ilang judges sa arena at sa street dance?
We invited judges all across the country from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. For the arena competition, we have 7 judges, and then for the street dance, we have 5. For the total of 12 judges for each category.
Di ang judging place ang step dance?
Ang judging place, we have 3 stations. It will start somewhere in Rizal Elementary School. That's the first station. Then the second is somewhere in the between San Sebastian, Locos San Sebastian and the old Dunkin' Donuts. And then the third is in the old City Hall.
How about sa Barangay Granada? Intend na to join or Hall of Famer?
Yeah, Barangay Granada is already a three-peat, no, or Grand Slam champion, as we could say, no. And there is an agreement, unwritten or unwritten agreement that Barangay Granada will inhibit themselves muna, no, to join and give way also to other barangay this year.
So next year, pwede na sila mag-join?
Yes, pwede na sila kabalik.
Can we also get some statements coming from our invited barangay representatives just to share their anticipation and preparation for
Yes.
the competition?
We have representative here. Pwede ba identify?
We have barangay captains here of Barangay 13, then 29, and Barangay, because some of the barangay captains were not here because they have a seminar. So we have 3 barangay captains available. Can we request barangay captains?
Yes, may I request all of
One.
the captains who are here to please
One.
School, sir, isang
kaya po kinalik sila
School ari pa si Sir
for us to be recognized.
And the division superintendent.
And also for the school, we'd like to request Division School Superintendent, Mr. Develos.
Mr. Develos, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Please occupy this space, please. Thank you. Okay, let's have a short statement from Barangay Captains as well, right? Okay, let's have bunkers. Go ahead.
At famous by Mangkos.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kap Narda of Barangay 39. Good morning, everyone. Ang among preparation sa pag-join sa Mascara Festival sa Bauno. This is my first term actually, and this is my first time to compete sa street dance and arena competition. No? Very hard to prepare, katungod nga sa financial, ito kadakot kit compare sa na yung barangay, there are a lot of resources. Sa amon, as of now, wala ko nagkuha sa budget, katungod nga, pinaprepare ko man sa some reasons man sa mga basic needs sa mga barangay. Pero kumbaga, initial, do ka big event, di kinanglan, hindi nga joinan, pero hindi lang kayo obligado, pero willing ko mag-participate katungod nga para sa Bacolod.
Saan ako
Then,
start practice, sir?
Since nag-start ko ang sang maskara nag-start na kami nadaan. Kahit good line na mabihind ka pala sa preparation, biskan little by little, nag-provide kami, nag-support ko sa choreographers. As of now, parang 55, pero ginatry na mo to come up sa 60 sa ginatawag standard dito para namin natawag kailangan. Ang preparation namon subong to kabudlay pero kinatingwaan namon nga ma-achieve gid ang kina-expect sa akong pumuluyo ang Bacolod maging proud man kag mga participants nga mga barangay captain as well man ang preparation kag sa akong ulo we are not competing, we are not participating, but ang goal ko nga gusto ko may unity ang Bacolod. Amo na nag-inspired man ko nga mag-join sa maskara kay gusto ko maging ehemplo man sa mga ibang mga barangay. Thank you.
First of it, sir. Sir, ano nga grades ang maka-join sa inyo, sir?
Good morning, Kapre, mas siyang barangay Bata. Daw, pwede kami nga ma-intra kasi nagliga story personal kami. Di obligado kami nga ma-intra kasi basic pa man, no? Hindi pa man makuha ibang barangay kasi para man. Bantayan na lang kung ano ipakita sa barangay Bata. Nag-prepare kami mga 2 weeks na Sige lang, amon na dancer daw 60 kilo. Kagamamon na steps man daw mga 60 man o 60. Ang gamay lang yung budget siyang barangay namon, kaya natigad, mga 1M na gani. Mayo-mayo lang kami sponsor, kaya ng first time kami na nagkapitan, first time man nag-intra, yung barangay lagi din naman wala ka intra. Tinguan ako na magdako-dako subong pero hindi ituro dako. Kaligasalig lang ko sa akong koryo, mga dancers na tinguan nila. No? Sila man nagagpal nga tinguan nila nga mangin mayo pa rin nila nga pa.
Same set of dancers and choreographers last year. So,
Same lang. May araguro may iban ng gindugang. Salamat din mo.
Magluwas ka sa inyong gasto sa inyong sa maskara. Ang city may ginaprovide.
Doon may araw, doon 750,000. Doon may araw silang sinaragay sa kaya nagpapangayo mga sponsor sa mga ibang sa barangay, mga negosyante, ibang barangay. Like Pipsi daw, mga sponsor sila. Pero wala na kabalo kung nanuyatag nila.
Kap, are you more excited now, Kap, yung madaugin? Kasi siyempre last year, naalang-alas na si Grenada, pero first runner-up ka mo.
No, hindi ka mapiho, no? Kaya ang Coryo sa Granada, subong sa tamo. Kaya kabilang siya, ako rin ang budget ang ilay pagwa. Ayaw man ko ni Kap dito, nga Kap, gusto mo ang akong Coryo sa iyong bubiyata. Hindi ko ba huya ko Kap sa akong Coryo? Kaya nag-personal up kami. Okay. Kabalo man tagal, bakod man din sila, pero kamay lang pala nga puwet ang ginagawa lamang nila sa amon sa Barangay Bata.
So this year's Cup, you're aiming to be a champion.
Yes. Gabay pa. Yatag sila natin.
1 million.
Way man talaga kwa. So barangay, way nagkakuha sa premyo nila, ginatag sa nakanin sa mga dancers. Para sa nagdigad na kuha nila, 400 na nila. 500 to? 500, ginatag na tanan sa dancers, kay sa Coryo, bahala na sila kung ano, nilang barangay, way na nagkakuha. Personal na. 500 lang. Sige, salamat kit.
Kap, ang choreographers ang Granada, mong nagkatusat na mo.
Sa tango po.
Ano po si Panginoon? Si Kapitan, si Selian kami sa barangay natin. First time pa lang din, ngayon sa Maskala. Tinawan ko man. Kaya ang pumuluyo na nalipay na lang, na nalipra. Bahala lang sa kuyo ko. Ning minabalan ko ang mga dancer. Nga kung gusto magdao, tiwaan nyo. Kay wala din na kami ka. Testing pa lang ha.
Sample makeup. Ang barang dito 13 ka practice kasi.
Hindi. Ako kaya may bulan kami to. Sa 2 weeks pa lang kami nag-practice.
Ang pick up ang SM support sa inyo, Kap.
Well, nagkakayo lang kami sa mga sponsor.
Pero ka proud ka, Kap, nga for a small barangay like Barangay 13, you will be competing against big barangays. So po.
Oo, kami nga nakaintra kami nga isang jutay ang among budget. Inukiwaan ko. May kaya malipay sa among barangay. Di sumulo enjoy sila. Sila nila sikikat, tinawan mo sila ko. Tinawag tayo ka mo, kamay pa man ako sa malaki. Why kaya na amal sa mga champion, ang magwasan ako. Inakan nila. Salamat kay Mayor Vega, kay Kong Alvin.
Sige.
Thank you.
First step.
Okay, now let's hear the message from the school division superintendent, Dr. Douglas.
Good morning, everyone. Like from the bed of Bacolod City.
Sir, ako ka-join sa mascara contest, sir. Ano ka grade sila, sir? Ano ka grade dapat ng sir?
Some are limited to grade 5 and 6. Some, the least is grade 4. 4, 5, and 6.
Practice sila, sir. Ano, sir? May time.
For complete details, may I respectfully refer you to the 7 school heads because they're more aware about their elementary schools. We have 7 school heads at the back. So if I could not answer the query, please help me.
Sir, question.
Yes, sir.
Kay elementary, nasabi medyo mahuli ang mga bata. Nagpalma sila waiver sa school.
We have enough and ample security measures and referred it to our legal office as well with the Gugma Foundation. In fact, we have already conducted the medical done already.
Sir, judging, sir, sa like 40% sa state lens. Sorry po.
Sir, di ba per district may representative? Nag-offer man ang ibang schools sa each district to help their participating schools.
Yeah, this time we don't, we utilize our teachers and MAPI and those who have the skills, and we did not hire rather outsiders because we want to cut off also our expenditures for that. And teachers are not allowed to share a portion of what they have in life.
So all 7
Sa most chose ng mga designers.
We allocated that from the Gugma Foundation, the amount of 500. At least we can temper the additional expenditure that would be a burden on the part of the teachers and the parents as well.
So wala mga professional choreographer, designer.
Our teachers is more professional because they are graduate.
Sir, Juventus, ay kada division, isa lang. Ang isa ka school na participating, hindi ka kuha sa iba within the division.
Per district, per school. Per school.
Per sa elementary, taga-isa lang. Isa hindi ka kuha sa ibang school.
The school heads are instructed to abide the guidelines of the Gugma Foundation.
Sa criteria, sir, sa judging, di ba 40% na street dancing, 60% arena, same Japon, or?
We have changes on that, sir, in terms of percentages to determine the grand winner. So we have 40% will come from the arena performances. Then from 60 arena, 30 street dance, and there's a 10% for committee score for the total of 100.
Sir, anong 10%?
Committee score.
Committee.
Yes.
Sir, how's our preparation for traffic and security?
We have interagency, no? Lester is the best person to answer. Thank you.
With regards to our traffic and preparations for the arena and street dance, we already had a series of meetings with the different interagencies like BITAO, PNP, the RMO, and other interagencies just to make sure everything will be well taken off. Like for example, last week we just had a walkthrough along Paglaong Sports Complex and then along Araneta Street. So for further announcements like road closures, what are the traffic guidelines, so we'll have the public announcement with that together with the Bacolod Gugma Foundation and the responsible agencies.
Follow-up na, sir. Are we expecting visitors from national government?
As for now, as our advice by our festival director Randy Mills, so far the sure national personalities will come is the Department of Tourism Secretary, Secretary Flasco. So siya pa lang so far ang direct sa amo ni Sir Rodney nga makaabot sa ano. But for the national politicians or any figures from the national, so far wala pa man advice sa amo.
So first come, first serve, di makakato sa Paglaong, like malantaw lang gid lang.
Yes, for our general admission, so on a first come first serve basis, but we need to finalize sa school kag sa barangay, those participating schools and barangays, so they'll have a designated number of seats sa aton nga general admission, and then the rest open na siya. So gina-finalize lang namon ang number of people kay up until now we still need to secure or check ang total capacity lang gid sa Paglaom Sports Complex. So we just had walkthrough last week. So gina-finalize pa together with different agencies para makaano kita kung pila na gid ang ma-provide sa ang capacity sa Paglaom Sports
So,
Complex.
figure, sir?
Wala pa kita figure. Pero to give lang, last year we have 5,000. So more or less basi dira man.
What will be your judges this competition?
Come again, sir?
Judges.
Okay.
Judges.
Mga judges.
For now, hindi pa naman ma-disclose kung sino ang mga judges, no? But as mentioned, they came from all across the nation, no? From Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So right now, may nakita short list, no? But of course, subject for the final approval sa Bacolod Unima Foundation and Company.
2 sets of judges, lain sa school and sa barangay.
Ideally 2 sets, sir, but of course we consider also mga logistical needs, no? There will be judges who will be judging for both category, and then there will be judges na based on their availability, ma-judge lang sila sa school or even sa barangay category.
Question, can the media have the right position sa Paglaom?
Yes, no, there's an allocated space for our media sa dalong, no? Yeah.
Because sa dalong, can we have the cubicle sa middle sa Paglaom Stadium? Hindi ka sa pulumpuan sa stairs.
Pulungkuan sa may stairs, okay.
Sige, sir, with that, sir, ina-coordinate namon with the Dugma Foundation regarding the designation sa mga media kung di sila makapungpong.
So, nasa dalo,
Yan, sa
dalo
dalo.
ito ginadumog. So, can we have the seats sa babaw sa stadium para straightforward or shoot pala na?
Sige, sir. So, gina-coordinate, namon, sir, gina-plan out namon together with the foundation kag in charge sa sa media namon.
Paano yung napasta si Mayo kay yung competition, damo sa nag-media, may vloggers, may mga legit na media. Kung siya binubuan, dahil lang, paano tayo ma-control?
Sige, as per our meeting, sir, with the foundation, so provided gidjay ang official ID sa tanan nga kon media vlogger, so ipang-identify gini sila nga sila na gidyang exclusive nga maka sa mga photos, videos and all. But you know, given with the previous years, biskan ginaano naton kadamo gidya sa nagadugog when it comes to Mascara Festival. So we prepared some changes somehow sa aton nga street dancing kung paano. So ginapangitaan ginamon paagi as much as possible nga makater ginang aton nga local media, ang aton other vloggers nga official gidya nga approved sa sa Bacolod Gugma Foundation.
Sir, ano mga kawan na pagkisulod sa arena competition nga sa mga matagtanaw? May bank requirements or may unang nagpayong?
As per discussions last week, pag-walkthrough namon, so so far initial, hindi pa gid kami pero hindi allowed ang mga naka-backpack and then mag-bring sang mga bottled water, bala nga may taklob, nga mga for safety and security reason naton. But with that, gina-check pagit sang aton PNP kung ano ang mga possible nga mga hindi gidya pwede. So with that, we'll have the public service announcement nga antes magsulod sa Paglaom Sports Complex amo ni ang ginadilian nga dalon nga pagadalon.